Welcome back to Northeast Ohio Veggie Garden. Today we're transplanting our tomatoes that we started from seed into our fabric grow containers. We are growing two different style tomatoes this year. One is a paste tomato called San Marzano, and the other is a slicing tomato called Mortgage Lifter. We're planting these fairly deep as tomato stems will produce roots when buried deep below the soil line, and also will remove any leaves that are near the soil as in to reduce any splash up and disease. Here's a picture of that Biotone starter fertilizer. You can find that at any garden center or your big box retailer near you. You'll want to put a small handful of the starter fertilizer in the bottom of the hole and mix it in a little bit. You'll want to make sure that you support the plant as you take it out of the pot. Place your hand on top of the pot with your fingers around the stem, and that will support it and prevent any damage while you take it out of your pot. We're just using thin bamboo sticks right now to hold them in place until they get a little bit bigger, and then we'll show the bamboo trellis that we're going to attempt to use this year. Might not be perfect since these are indeterminate style tomatoes, and those grow as a vine and can grow anywhere from 6 to 10 feet. So we'll see how our trellis does. We might be having to amend and do something different as the season goes on, but use little bamboo skewers to start with, just to hold the plant in place, so if any strong winds come by or anything, you're not going to snap off the tomato early on until it gets established. A nice handful of the starter fertilizer will give a kickstart to these tomatoes, and that'll last about a month to 2 months before we'll have to start using other fertilizers throughout the season. Here we're planting a couple of our green peppers. Actually, they're not green this year. One's going to be a lunchbox pepper, which is multicolored, a little bit smaller, so great for slicing for salads and to put on your sandwiches. We'd like to thank you for stopping by today, and as always, if you enjoy the content, Please like and subscribe and tell your friends about Northeast Ohio Veggie Garden.